Good morning, guys. Today we are having the McDonald's. I have the sausage McMuffin from the dollar menu, and I got just 3 of these. And yep, that's it. Check it out. McDonald's. Mickey D's. And yeah, let's just get right into it. I also got some syrup. I like it with a little bit of syrup, just a little bit. You see, some maple syrup. It's a little warm, pretty good. I like to dip it. Dip it in the. So good. Sausage, cheese. Pretty good. Good drink. Just have some water. I was gonna buy like a drink at McDonald's, but I'm like, I'll have some water. So good. Sorry about the TV in the back. My son's watching it. About this hair. It's early in the morning. I think it's about what? 8 something. Just dropped off the kids at school, and I decided to pick up some breakfast on the way for me and my little guy over here. He doesn't go to school yet. Yeah, he's only 2, so he hangs out with me during the day. So, how you guys doing today?
There comes a time when you have to ask yourself, what would the man with the yellow
Good.
hat do?
You scare me, but that won't stop me.
I'll grab another one. Thank you. What?
They expected
Huh?
to see no nothing.
Come on, go sit down.
They saw
Go watch your TV. It's nothing. You want it no more? Okay, go sit down. Oh, another one? What? Go sit down. Go sit down. Go sit down, watch George. So good.
it seemed to Jumpy they wanted an explanation. So he told them the true story of hats.
Sorry about that.
Long ago, Jumpy's great-great-uncle Morris
Doesn't know I'm filming a video.
in a tree next to no nothing. He didn't like the taste of dirt. Then one day he had an idea.
Sorry about being so quiet. I'm just eating. To be honest, this is my first video ever. I've never done a mukbang. Never. This is my first YouTube video, period. What the heck?
When people worked together,
Try it out. No.
they didn't see Maurice. So they claimed
I feel like this mukbang community is getting bigger and bigger. I've seen videos on YouTube, but I want to try it out.
hats every Halloween. clean acorns all
They're cheap. They're $1.
Squirrels have celebrated Halloween ever
All it is English McMuffin without the eggs. It's just cheese sausage and the English muffin. Very good, very good. Like I said, I like to dip them in the syrup. Get some warm syrup that they give you there. I prefer it. And they'll give you one, or however you want, you know, however many you want. Nice, dude. Just comes in a little pepper. Okay, go sit down. Just comes in the wrapper and open it up. You guys know the drill, I'm pretty sure. Many of you guys have been to McDonald's. Okay, go sit down.
Now George wasn't sure that telling was a good idea. But would Allie
What?
understand?
Cup? Go sit down. Sorry.
Costume, George almost forgot. George was relieved. Mrs. Rankin
Pretty good.
delivered the special part of the costume.
George? Allie? Anybody there?
So what do you guys up to today? I don't have much going on today. It's Friday. The wife worked.
Why was Bill running away?
So it's just me, my little guy here. Yeah, I'm hanging out. Kids get out of school later on and just go pick them up. So it's almost election day. Are you guys, any of you guys voting? I don't want to bring politics into this, but you know, just a question. Everybody's an American, no matter what you believe in, or you know, who you're voting for. Everybody should vote, regardless. As an American, I voted 4 years ago. That was my first time voting. I thought it was pretty cool. You get a little sticker and everything. And you voted. It's pretty cool. I had a really good experience, so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna vote again. But you know, well, this video's a little awkward, and you know, but this is my first time filming, first time making a mukbang. So you know, it's an amateur mukbang. I feel like to say amateur. I don't know what amateur is. Making a video, so regardless of what it was, I hope you guys liked it. I have 0 subscribers on this channel. This is for fun. If this channel goes anywhere, cool. If it doesn't, cool. This is just for me to see later on. I really appreciate it. But if you did like it, you know, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'm gonna try to make these videos more and, you know, get Steam back on. Alright, thank you. Bye.